All right, so in the last video, I showed you how to use ChatGPT to create image ads, modeling off other ads that your competitors or other brands are running. So now that ChatGPT has given us the photo ad, there's a couple things that we have to do. First thing is we're gonna have to add our real product in there. You can see this image here. Even though I gave them a photo of our product, the AI, for whatever reason, cannot make it a complete one-to-one replica. So this is ChatGPT's version of the product. You can see that's not even a dog, it's a chicken. This is not even coherent, it's not a real word. And this is what the actual product looks like on Zesty Paw's website. So what we have to do is we're gonna have to go into Canva and you're gonna upload the image that ChatGPT gave you right here, and then you're gonna upload your photo. Then if you have a background, like a white background behind it, you just click BG Remover, even though this one didn't, and then you just move it over. So it's real simple, real easy to do, anyone can do it. But the second thing that I always like to do is, this is a good ad to test, but we should also be testing different headlines, right? Instead of give your dog relief from itchy skin, what are 5 other headlines that we can test? And I always upload in groups of 5. So if we go back here, I had ChatGPT, I asked it to rate the headline that it originally gave it a 6.5, and then it also gave some upgrades. So itchy skin, not anymore, your dog deserves an itch-free life, end the scratch struggle today, soothe the itch, restore the wag. So these are good variations that we can test with the original. So to do that, we just duplicate there, we'll duplicate, now the image is in. And you're gonna click this edit button right here, and you're gonna go to grab text. Grab it, and now it's gonna pop out so we can actually edit it. Now, I was not expecting them to change this up. I actually like this because the itchy skin, it's more eye capturing. So if I was gonna be testing this, I would actually keep this and run this against the control. So then we'll come back, we'll duplicate it again, test some of the other ones. So let's see, the first one, itchy skin, not anymore. So I actually want to keep the itchy skin like this. So then we'll copy this. Edit, let's see, how do I add text? So it's itchy skin, not anymore. And now we can test these. See, that looks good. Then we can go in, we can duplicate it again, take this out, we're only gonna use this text. And what's the other one? Your dog deserves an itch-free life. Make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Perfect. Do it again. We'll do the last one. Soothe the itch, restore the wag. So you can see that in less than 5 minutes, I now have 5 ads to test, all with our product, all created with ChatGPT. Real simple to do these things, no excuse not to be testing and getting a bunch of new creatives each week.